So now let's see what this kernel has to offer. So this KFC is in a mall, and on the menu the first thing that caught my eye was the red hot. They have red hot chicken wings. So I'm gonna try the red hot plus original and something else. And in true Japanese style, you put your money on this little thing and you hand it to them, make your purchase, make your order, and then you just wait, collect it. That's what I'm doing here. And then I'm gonna sit in the mall and make a video.
One eternity later.
For me? Oh. So first things first, for my favorite part of the chicken, the thigh, and it's original, my favorite. It is just like the KFC I've had in South Korea, I've had in America, China, everywhere. I think original chicken is just original. I'm just angling and triangling the chicken right here, and it is just so yummy. I'll give this a 10 out of 10 because, as I said, it is just original chicken, nothing special in Japan, just the same. Next up, fries. I'm not a big fan of fries, so these they weren't saggy or anything. They were pretty okay, I'd say. And from the look on my face, I would definitely give these like, a 5 out of 10. Nothing special. They're neither here nor there for me, because something else was in this bag that I needed to eat like ASAP. I can't believe I found KFC biscuit, like the biscuit in Jamaica. OMG. 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 Let me tell you, this biscuit was just too good. 11 out of 10 for me. 11 out of 10 for this biscuit. I'm sipping on my juice right here as I eat this biscuit. It was so soft, so buttery and good. Japan, 11 out of 10 for this biscuit. I'm taking my time and I'm just eating this. OMG. This was literally too good. I could eat 3 of these biscuits. Lovely, 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 Japan. Wonderful job. I need to make some of these. Check over Roma's kitchen, guys. I'll try that. All right, now going on to something else. I bought chicken tenders. These chicken tenders, 0 out of 10. 0, 0, 0. Sorry, Japan. These chicken tenders were too terrible. 0 out of 10. And I'm not in Tokyo right now, guys. In this video, I'm in Osaka. Yeah, I'm in Osaka in this video. The KFC, sorry. These chicken tenders were too dry. They were basically getting stuck in my back of my throat. 0 out of 10. Now, onto the red hot, which disappointed me because I thought it would have at least, the color would be red. It is not red, it's orange. It is not... spicy chicken in Jamaica is just better. It is spicy, but not the spicy that I'm used to, not delicious spicy. So I'm gonna give these like 5 out of 10 for effort, but they were not really giving what I wanted. It wasn't giving what I wanted it to give at all. I thought it would be something else, but yeah, I'm angling and triangling it right now. But I never ate that off. I just went back to eating my piece of original, sipping on my drink, contemplating whether or not I should get another biscuit. But I did not finish the tenders and I did not finish the red hot. because they weren't. Going back to my original, just finishing that down to the bone, because the original 10 out of 10, the biscuit 11 out of 10, the juice normal, fries normal, the tenders red hot boring. So I'm gonna have to give this kernel 7 out of 10. Him don't underperform. He did not underperform, but he did not excel. So now I'm just going to walk up and down in this mall and find some things to buy or whatnot. Okay. What's up, guys? If you're ever planning to come to Japan, make sure your money up in terms of like you traveling. Because if not, even though it's so convenient to take the Shinkansen, the JR railway and stuff, too much walking. I do 20,000 steps the least every day. But I'm gonna get back to you. I'm gonna show you what's going on with my camera.